Everyone, welcome to our Sarudia channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss some of the objective questions of restoration period and some of the questions about the restoration drama. In our syllabus, we have normally that the only the restoration period of drama. Okay, the drama of restoration period. So I have some of the questions that also have from. There are from also in restoration period, so we will cover all those questions which are belonging from the restoration period and the restoration drama too. So first question, the period from 1660 to 1700 is called as, answer B, the restoration period. Okay, the answer is the restoration period. Option number B is correct. Sorry that the Elizabethan period has been underlined. That's some technical issue when I have typed in the MS Word Office. Okay, so that's a issue, please don't mind. And but the actual answer is which I have given in the answer space, that is the restoration period. The restoration period is also called as the age of Dryden. Next, who has been defeated and beheaded came back to England and became the king after the restoration in 1660. Charles II. Okay, when the Charles II has come to restore it, or to we can say that the age that as the restoration is. In that time the theaters were reopened also. Okay, so both the king and the what and the theaters has been restored, just like theaters be starting heitla reopen out heitla. Next, Charles II was the son of King Charles I, where Charles II had been exiled. Answer is France. In France, Charles II had been exiled. Which was the dominating and most representative literary figure of the Restoration age? Dryden. Dryden was the dominating and most representative literary figure of the Restoration age, who were previously controlling the country and supervising her literary, social and moral standards, were finally defeated. Puritans. In previous time or previously, Puritans were controlling the country and supervising her literary, social and moral standards. So, and they were controlling over also in the theaters. Okay, they are against of drama and they are against of theaters. According to them, according to Puritans, the drama was leading to the people's immorality. Okay, they considered that drama is a immoral thing, just how the people were polluted by the drama. That's why they were totally against of theaters, and they succeeded after in to stop the theater and the drama at that time. But when the Charles II has come to the throne, he reopened the theaters. Who had enjoyed a gay life in France during their exile did their best to introduce that type of foppery and lawlessness in England? Answer is Charles II. Charles II and his followers renounced old ideals and demanded that English poetry and drama should follow the style to which they had become accustomed in the gaiety of which city? Paris. Answer is Paris. Instead of having Shakespeare and Elizabethan as the models, or the poets and dramatists of the Restoration period began to imitate which writers, and especially their vices? Roman writer and French writer. Both the Roman writers and French writers were instead of having Shakespeare and Elizabethan as their models, the poet and dramatist of the Restoration period began to imitate which writers? They began to imitate Roman writer and French writers. In English literature, which contribution is or are made by the writers of the Restoration period? Realism and a tendency to preciseness. Okay, both the answer are correct. Also the A is correct and also the B is correct. For his poetry, who adopted the easiest type of verse form, the heroic couplet? Dryden. Okay, for his poetry, who adopted the easiest type of verse form of heroic couplet? सबुठी easiest form के लिए ना Dryden. under which guidance the English writers evolved a style as precise, formal, and elegant, which is called a classical style. Dryden. Under Dryden's guidance, the English writers evolved a style precise, formal, and elegant, which is called as the classical style. After 1660, the drama in England called the Restoration drama. ठीक है 1660 रे Restoration drama कहा जाउतला इंग्लैंड से टाइम रे. Restoration drama was greatly affected by the spirit of the new age, which was deficient in imagination and emotional approach to life, poetic feeling. So both options are correct. So answer C is correct. During Restoration, the common people still under the influence of which movement? Puritanism. Restoration ହେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛିଟା ଲୋକ ରହିଯାଉଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କ'ଣ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେଉଁଟା କମନ୍ ପିପଲ୍ ଆମେ କହିବା କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ସାଇଡ଼୍ ପିପଲ୍ସ ୱେର୍ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସଡ୍ ବାଇ ଦ ପ୍ୟୁରିଟାନିଜମ୍. ପ୍ୟୁରିଟାନିଜମ୍ର ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାଜ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ତାପରେ ତ ରେଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ୍ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ଆସିଲା ତ ସେତେବେଳେ କିଛିଟା ଲୋକ ରହିଯାଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସରେ ହେଲା. The most popular form of drama during Restoration was Comedy of Manners. Comedy of Manners was very famous at that time period, which portrayed the sophisticated life of the dominant class of society, its gaiety, foppery, its insolence, and intrigue during Restoration. The Comedy of Manners. Comedy of Manners has portrayed the sophisticated life. Comedy of Manners हम जानते सर कौन लिखा होता ना sophistication of life dominant class रो sophistication गुड़ाक ऊपर explain कर जाऊँगा. The general tone of Restoration Comedy of Manners drama was most aptly described by option number C, P.V. Shelley. Okay, कहाँ पे से describe होतला किए बेसी describe करतले ना P.V. Shelley. Which period was specialized in heroic tragedy, ended happily, and virtue has also rewarded. को पीरियड रे हीरोइक ट्रेजेडी स्पेशलाइज होता और लास्ट को हैप्पीली एंडेड होता ना कौन रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड. ओके वी ऑल नो दैट. द मोस्ट गिफ्टेड अमंग ऑल द रेस्टोरेशन ड्रामाटिस्ट वाज विलियम कंग्रीम. विलियम कंग्रीम सबुठू गिफ्टेड राइटर थिले रेस्टोरेशन ड्रामाटिस्ट भितर हु रोट ऑल हिज बेस्ट प्लेस बिफोर हिज 30 years of age. विलियम कंग्रीम बिकॉज ही हैज़ William Congreve has written a third most of his best plays before his 30s. Okay, William Congreve well known comedies are कौन कौन सा तांकर ना होची Love for Love और The Way of the World. जोटा कि Love for Love टा 1695 रे पब्लिश होईची और 1700 The Way of the World. On account of the remarkable style, who is put at the head of the Restoration drama? William Congreve. William Congreve is on account of remarkable style. William Congreve is put at the head of the Restoration drama. And then come to the chief protagonist and writer of heroic tragedy was Dryden. The answer is Dryden. किए थिले chief protagonist और writer heroic tragedy writer ना से होचंदी हमारा Dryden. Under which leadership the heroic tragedy dominated the stage from 1660 to 1678. ना जॉन ड्राइडन. अंडर which leadership? जॉन ड्राइडन का leadership अंडर रे heroic tragedy dominated कोटला स्टेज को 1660 to 1670. ता अर्थ कौन heroic tragedy ही से टाइम रे बेसी प्ले गुड़ाक थिएटर रे चलुला. ड्राइडन heroic tragedy plays where tyrannic love गोटे हूँ द कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ ग्रानाडा. बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. The play All for Love 1670s was written by Dryden. Answer is C is correct. Okay, sorry, I have some of the technical issue, but in other questions they are not highlighted the wrong answer, but still there is some issue when in some of the questions there is some highlighted answer. Okay, but that is not the actual answer. The answer is provided the answer section, just like here the answer is C. Dryden has written All for Love. How Dryden turns himself away from the conventions of the heroic tragedy. He doesn't give a happy ending to this play. से कौन करथिले गोटे हैप्पी एंडिंग दौन थिले. केमिति से heroic tragedy को कन्वेंशन माने हिमसेल्फ दूर रखुथिले ना गोटे हैप्पी एंडिंग से प्ले रे दौन थिले. The comedies Wild Gallant, Etheridge, The Comical Revenge or Love in a Tub, Vigilantly, The Country's Wife and The Plain Dealer were written by John Dryden. Okay, all these works are written by John Dryden. In which field the restoration period holds its head much higher? Option number is C, prose. Prose field रे restoration period रो बहुत सारा works थिला. How the English prose was developed during the restoration period? Now, as a medium of for expressing clearly and precisely average ideas, feelings about miscellaneous matters and the to tell plain story. तो केमिति डेभलप होता इंग्लीश प्रोजटा ना गोटे कौन ना गोटे एक्सप्रेशन मीडियम होता जो कौन क्लीयरली प्रिसाइजली आइडिया गुड़ा को शो करा जाउथिला ता सहित प्लेन स्टोरी को मध्य एक्सप्लेन करा जाउथिला. द प्रोज ऑफ व्हिच पीरियड वाज अनसुटेड टू टेलिंग अ प्लेन स्टोरी? एलिजाबेथन प्रोज है को प्रोज रे ना एलिजाबेथन प्रोज रे ही अनसुटेड टेलिंग माने प्लेन स्टोरी लिखा को मना कर जाउथिला हेउ नथिला. Who could not be adapted to scientific, historical, political and philosophical writings and also to novel writing? Epigrammatic style of Bacon, grandiloquent prose of Milton and dreamy harmonies of Browning. तो कौन कौची who couldn't be adapted to scientific को इनसोड़ा scientific, historical, political and philosophical writings आउ also to novel writing को अडाप्ट हो पारिबनी ना कौन जोटा एपिग्रामेटिक स्टाइल ऑफ बैकन गोटे आउ ग्राडिलोकेंट प्रोज ऑफ मिल्टन और ड्रीमी हार्मोनीज ऑफ ब्राउनी. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. बोथ ए एंड बी ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. हु वाज द चीफ लीडर ऑफ एंड प्रैक्टिशनर ऑफ द न्यू प्रोज? किए थिले ना ड्राइडन. ऑल्सो ही वाज द ड्राइडन वाज द मेन द आइडियल राइटर एट दैट टाइम पीरियड. The greatest critical work of Dryden is Essay of Dramatic Poesy. It was a very important work of Dryden. Dryden presented a model of the new prose which was completely different from the prose of Bacon and Milton, Browning. Okay, emanango to pura different likhithile. Bacon, Milton और Browning को different. The style of Dryden's prose writing was कौन थिला ना तांकर प्लेन एंड सिंपल थिला आउ एक्जाक्ट स्टाइल रे थिले फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल एग्जाजरेशन देखिया को मिलना थिला सेटू फ्री थिला हैला. देन कम टू द व्हिच फेबल्स आर फाइन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द प्रोज स्टाइल? जॉन ड्राइडन कहाँ कर थिला एग्जांपल द प्रोज स्टाइल फाइनल्स पे एग्जांपल्स थिला ना जॉन ड्राइडन 1631 to 1700. नेक्स्ट टू डैश बनियान वाज द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रोज राइटर ऑफ दैट पीरियड? John Dryden. John Dryden को परे Bunyan was the greatest prose writer. Like which literary personality Bunyan was imbued with the spirit of Puritanism? Option A is correct. Milton. Milton का literary personality type रा Bunyan भी बहुत imbued spirit of Puritanism को रखो दिले. If Milton is the greatest poet of Puritanism, who is the greatest storyteller? यदि मिल्टन को आम कनसीडर करुचे ग्रेटेस्ट पोएट ऑफ प्यूरिटानिज्म ताले स्टोरी टेलर सब किए ना सुनी बुनियान है. बुनियान होचंती ग्रेटेस्ट स्टोरी टेलर. द ग्रेटेस्ट वर्क ऑफ जॉन बुनियान इज द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस. ओके, दिस वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड नोटेबल वर्क ऑफ जॉन बुनियान. बुनियान्स एम द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस वाज टू लीड मेन एंड वुमेन इनटू गॉड्स वे द वे ऑफ साल्वेशन. एटा को रिलेटेड थिला ना लोक माननकु भगवान को पथ प्रदर्शन करने आ मुक्तिर पथ देखापी से ऊपर आधार करके बुकटा थिला. लाइक डैश बुनियान वाज एंडोर्ड विथ अ हाईली डेवलप्ड इमेजिनेटिव फैकल्टी एंड आर्टिस्टिक इंस्टिंक्ट. मिल्टन को भाया आंसर इज मिल्टन को भाया बुनियान को पाखरे मध्य गोटे हाईली डेवलप्ड इमेजिनेटिव फैकल्टी एंड आर्टिस्टिक इंस्टिंक्ट थिला. हु वेयर डीपली रिलीजियस एंड बोथ दो दे डिस्ट्रक्टेड fiction the masters of fiction? Milton and Bunyan both are. In which critical work Bunyan has described the pilgrimage of the Christian to the heavenly city, the trials, tribulations and temptations? In Pilgrim's Progress of John Bunyan. Answer is A. Which critical work of Bunyan was written in the form of allegory? को critical टा allegory form रे लिखा जाइची. प्रीवियस क्लास रे हमें एलिगरी पर डिस्कशन करते तो कौन पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस. यू शुड रीड दैट वर्क दैट विल हेल्प यू टू नो अबाउट द व्हाट आर द एक्चुअली एलिगरी इज. हु रिमार्क्ड अबाउट द बुनियंस द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस दैट दिस इज द ग्रेट मेरिट ऑफ द बुक दैट द मोस्ट कल्टिवेटेड मैन कैन नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग टू प्रेज मोर हाईली एंड द चाइल्ड नोज नथिंग मोर अम्यूजिंग. Dr. Johnson remarked about the Bunyan's Dr. Johnson ही बुनियान का Pilgrim's Progress ऊपर एक remark देते कौन ना this is the great merit of the book that the most cultivated man cannot find anything to praise more highly and the child knows nothing more amusing. Bunyan's other works are The Life and Death of Mr. Badman, which is in 1680, and The Grace Abounding to the Chief of Sinners, 1666. Then John Bunyan was called the pioneer of the modern novel because he had qualities of the great storyteller. ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଥିଲା ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟେଲରଙ୍କର ତା ସହିତ ଡିପ୍ ଇନସାଇଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ହ୍ୟୁମର ପାଥୋଜ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ସୋ ଅପସନ୍ A B are correct. Who was neither a scholar nor did he belong to any literary school. All that he knew and learned was derived straight from the English Bible. किए थिले जी स्कूल जाई नथिले कि कोटू स्कॉलर नथिले से जहाँ भी जानथिले इंग्लिश बाइबल बुनियान. ओके, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Others writers of the period who came under the influence of Dryden and wrote in a plain, simple but precise style were किए थिले जो माने कि ड्राइडन का इन्फ्लुएंस रे आसिकी प्लेन और सिंपल लिखुଥିଲେ प्रिसाइज लिखुଥିଲେ. Sir William Temple, John Tillotson, George Savile, Thomas Pratt, Milton, Dryden, Thomas Pratt. ହେଲା ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ. History of the Royal Society 1667 is written by Thomas Pratt. The prose of which period is free from monotony. କୋଉଥିରେ monotonyର ମାନେ ପ୍ରୋଜ୍ର monotony ଚାଲିନଥିଲା ଯେଉଁଟା ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ restoration period. The restoration poetry was mostly about the satirical and realistic. Restoration poetry was written in कोउथरे blank sorry heroic couplet लिखा होला. I'm sorry, heroic couplet लिखा होता poetry गुड़ाक. Who was the supreme master of heroic couplet? मास्टर किए थिले सबुठु सुप्रीम मास्टर heroic couplet करा ना जॉन ड्राइडेन. Dominating figure of the restoration period was John Dryden. तो जदि आमे बहुत सारा देखिबा बेसी इफेक्टिव किए करथले से पीरियड ता जानि छ जॉन ड्राइडेन. The period of John Dryden was 1631 to 1700, whose early poetry has the characteristic conceits and exaggerations of the metaphysical school. କାହାର early poetry ଟା जोटा कि conceit और exaggeration metaphysical school characteristics को carry करे ना. आंसर इज ए ड्राइडन करो. Which laid the foundation of the classical school of the poetry in England. Dryden's clear and forceful style. Under how many heads the poetry of Dryden can be conveniently divided? Option number 3. Under 3 many heads. Absalom and Achitophel poem belongs to which head of the poetry Dryden? Option A होची poetical satires. है Absalom and Achitophel poem टा belongs to which head of the poetry of Dryden? Political satire सहित. Which is another satirical poem of Dryden full of invective against Shaftesbury and Macflecknoe. कौन कौन ना होची The Maidal. Another satirical poem होची कौन The Maidal. The Maidal contains a scathing personal attack on Thomas Shadwell, who was once a friend of Dryden. Dryden को Shadwell को ऊपर ही थिला जे कि once upon a time he was the friend of Dryden. The great doctrinal poem of Dryden is Religio Laici and the Hind and the Panther. Okay, both the options are correct, so answer C is correct. Which poems of Dryden are neither religious nor devotional but theological and controversial? ना सेटा religious थिला ना devotional थिला, सेटा थिला तर जो theological थिला वो controversial थिला. जोटा कि Religio Laici, the Hind and the Panther. When Dryden was a Protestant, which poem was written by him and it defends the Anglican Church? तो Dryden Protestant थिले से को poem लिखिथिले जोटा कि कोन Anglican Church को defend करथला. Religio Laici. Option A is correct. Which poem was written when Dryden had become a Catholic, vehemently defends Catholicism? ड्राइडन पुणी होगले कौन ना कैथलिक होगले तापर से जो कैथलिज्म को डिफेंड करने स्टार्ट कले से कौन लिखते द हिंद एंड द पैंथर. ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट इयर्स ऑफ ड्राइडन लाइफ विच पोएम्स वर रिटन शो नो डिक्रीज इन हिज पोएटिक पावर? द फैबल्स. है द आंसर इज द फैबल्स. The fables, written in the form of narrative, entitled Dryden to rank among the best storytellers in verse in England. Option C is correct. Which poem of Dryden is based on Chaucer's Knight's Tale? Option B, the Palamon and Arcite. Palamon और Arcite poem रे Dryden कौन Chaucer का Knight's Tale ऊपर बेस करके लिखते Which is one of the best odes of Dryden in the English language. So the best ode कौन था? Alexander's Feast. Dryden's greatest contribution to English poetry was his skillful use of the heroic couplet. The best contribution आमे कहबा Dryden का English poetry को कौन था? तो ताको जो skillful use था heroic couplet रो poetry रे सेटा that was the best contribution to English poetry in the Restoration period. So we have discussed the poetry and the drama and the period of Restoration is. So there's some issue. Okay, sorry. Then in next class we will discuss the other period of English literature. So this much for today class. Thank you so much.